Diwali is not just about shiny outfits, it's also about ensuring that your body glows, looks healthy, soft, and moisturized. And my hack for all you guys out there for that Instagram worthy glow is to mix a bit of Vaseline with your favorite body shimmer or highlighter. Dab it all across your body, your collarbones, your shoulders, and then buff it in with a buffing brush, and you're all set to go out of the door and rock that Diwali party.
Girls, a fantastic little hack which is to use Vaseline as primer. It is non-sticky, easy to use, and imagine it's available everywhere.
A secret to pink and soft lips, all you have to do is take Vaseline and sugar and rub it on your lip. I think it is the best home remedy you can do, and it's very simple, very easy. Sugar and Vaseline.
Diwali is about all things shiny, and you need to glow like a Maharani. And for that, just a regular highlighter might not cut it. You need something extra and megawatt. So my trick for all you ladies out there is to just mix a bit of Vaseline with your favorite highlighter, dab it across the high points of your face like your cheeks, your cupid's bow, and you're ready and set to glow like a princess.
This Diwali, I'm obsessed with the dewy look. All I've done is I mixed my favorite metallic eyeshadow with a little bit of Vaseline and applied it on my eyelids and lips for that perfect wet effect.
So I'm looking pretty in my outfit and I have everything ready. Only thing, my bangles. Oh my god, my mom gifted me these beautiful bangles which are a little tight for me. So all I have to do is put Vaseline, rub it all over my hand, and seamlessly it fits me.
Isn't Diwali just the perfect time to sport those heavy danglers? But what comes free with them is a lot of pain and inconvenience. And if you're someone with smaller ear holes, then a timeless trick is to just apply a little bit of Vaseline on your earlobes, and then the danglers are going to slide in just so smoothly and you're good to go.
This one's a secret hack. To tame your flyaways, apply a little bit of Vaseline to your baby hair and comb over it for a smooth finish.
So girls, don't pluck your fake eyelashes. All you have to do is take a cupid, take Vaseline on it, rub it on your lash line, and that's about it. Your lashes will come out so easily. Guys, if you didn't know, Vaseline is a great makeup remover. It's very gentle to the skin. All you have to do is take Vaseline, apply it all over your face, and take a tissue and remove it. And that's about it.
Hit the bell icon and get notified every time we post a new video.